Hey my little rays of sunshine, welcome back to my channel. So today I used the Alyssa Edwards palette. I woke up super inspired and I wanted to create this pink summery neon makeup look. And so that's what I did. So if you'd like to see that, then please keep on watching. So jumping right in, I'm going to go in with the Supreme in my crease. And this is going to be my transition shade. After I have my transition shade laid down, I am going in with Texas Made and I'm packing that all over my lid. As you can see, I am slowly building up that color. That way it's easier to blend out later. I'm also going to take a little bit of that same color, Texas Made, and I'm going to blend it up into the crease. That way everything blends seamlessly. Now I'm going back in with the Supreme in the crease to blend everything together. I'm going to speed up the process to make the other eye match. Now I'm going to take the shade Headliner and use it for my brow bone highlight. My face is primed. I used the e.l.f. Poreless Primer, And now I'm going to go in with foundation using the Flower Beauty Light Illusion foundation. Now for concealer, I'm just going to go in with the last little bit of Shape Tape I have left. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going back into the shade Texas Made. Now I'm going to take the Supreme and blend it right underneath where I put Texas Made to blend out the lower lash line. Now to finish up the face, I'm going back in with my Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. For blush, I'm going in with the Satin Touch blush by Essence in Satin Love. Now I'm going to go in with my Ofra highlight in Pillow Talk. This is a really pretty pink reflect to it, and I thought it would go really nicely with the all pink kind of vibe I'm going for. I'm also going to use that same highlight in Pillow Talk for my inner corner highlight. For lips, I just wanted a really pretty milky nude gloss. I didn't want to take away from the eyes, so I'm going to go with ColourPop Fairy Floss. To set my face, I'm going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I love this stuff. It sets your face perfectly and makes your makeup last all day. And for my last step, I'm going in with my Holy Grail mascara by Lancome, the Monster Big mascara. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. I really hope you liked this video. Please consider subscribing if you did, and hit that little bell notification to be notified every time I upload. Comment down below if you picked up this palette and what you think of it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!